Welcome back to the channel. I wanted to give you guys a bit of a Wednesday update on what's happening with the bus, and for all those new subscribers, I want to let you guys know where we're at in the project and what the plans are and kind of my plan of attack for the project is, along with some work on the door. But I didn't want to make this episode all about working on the door, as that was already done in the last episode. So I'd like to go over some of the repairs that have been completed in the last couple months and some of the ones that are still yet to be completed. On the completed list, we've got the dogleg, driver's side and passenger side, the complete front floor, this piece that's inside the front wheel well, the long side rocker, the middle, inner, and outer rocker, along with the side panel, this rear side window repair. I'm still missing putting on this little piece where the thing clips on, the sliding door track, along with the inner rocker on the passenger side, this piece between the wheel tubs, the front covering of this wheel tub, and of course the front nose. As for things that are still to be completed, we've got this little piece above the rear wheel fender, this opening, this little side thing, this hole here, these holes on the passenger side seat. Thankfully the middle here is pretty dry. This piece, which I'm not sure why I haven't done it yet, this front wheel covering, all the inside where I grafted on the new roof need to be closed up. Of course, the same rear side window on the other side needs to be completely de-rustumified. And then we've got the rear corners, which I've already cut one out in the past. I don't know why I did that before being ready to actually weld it on. These inner mud flap things. And then, of course, the driver's side rear corner needs to be replaced as well, because even though it doesn't look so bad on the outside, when you take a look from the inside, you can see it is completely pitted and rusty. Now, what I would like for you guys to let me know in the comments below is how you would like to see these next few repairs tackled, as the majority of them were already done on the driver's side and now need to be, now need to be repeated on the passenger side. And I don't want to just release, the same episode over, just doing it on the other side. So I'm thinking about doing the majority of these smaller repairs that I've done on the driver's side kind of all in one episode, which takes a lot of time, but will at least push us forward in the direction of doing some of the bigger jobs like the cargo floor install and the rear corners, just some of the bigger things that are holding us back from finishing the body of the bus. So if you guys would like to see that all in one episode, let me know in the comments down below. If you'd like to see it broken up into more episodes in more detail, you can also let me know in the comments down below. I'm open to doing it either way. It's more about what you guys would like to see, as either way this work is going to be done on the bus. I'm just trying to figure out how to best put it in video format for you guys to enjoy. Of course, the Subaru swap episodes are in the planning phase right now, but don't forget to comment down below on what you'd like to see in the future episodes, what repairs you would like to see in greater detail, and don't forget to tune in on Sunday for a regular length episode. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.